You know the hiccups? Poor baby. Yeah? This is for Nana. This is for Nana. She didn't get to meet you. So we're gonna make videos for her. He's always looking around. He's always awake, it seems. Yeah?